For years, I was stuck. I tried everything: affiliate programs, courses, ebooks, even drop shipping, and nothing seemed to work. I was constantly chasing the next big thing, but every tool I used was either too complicated, too expensive, or just didn't deliver results. I remember spending weeks trying to build a simple funnel, only to have it break right before launch. I didn't have tech skills. I didn't know how to code. And every time I thought I was close to making money online, something went wrong. Looking back, I realized my biggest problem wasn't the lack of effort. It was the lack of simplicity. I needed something fast, something that actually worked without hiring designers or developers. I was overwhelmed by complicated platforms that wanted me to connect a dozen different tools just to sell one product. What I really needed was an easy way to create pages, funnels, and offers all in one place that didn't take days or weeks to figure out. That's when I discovered Mintbird, the world's fastest and easiest page builder and funnel system. At first, I thought it was just another shiny object. But then I tried it, and everything changed. Mintbird let me create unlimited digital products, unlimited sales pages, and full funnels, all with simple drag-and-drop editing. No coding, no plugins, no frustration. In less than 2 minutes, I had my first complete funnel built, with upsells, downsells, and order bumps all connected automatically. I started by creating my first digital product inside Mintbird, a short video course I've been sitting on for months. The system automatically set up instant delivery, order forms, and confirmation pages. Then, I picked one of the 50 stunning templates that came with Mintbird and customized it with my logo and colors. Within a day, my entire funnel was live, something that used to take me weeks before. I connected my autoresponder right through Mintbird's integration center and started building my email list from every sale and lead. I used the built-in split testing to see which page converted best, and I added a few bump offers to increase my order value. And guess what? It worked. Within the first week, I made my first sales, not just for my product, but also as an affiliate promoting Mintbird itself. Then I started hosting small webinars using the funnels I built in Mintbird. My list grew faster than ever, and my conversions finally started to make sense. For the first time in my online journey, I wasn't spending all my time fixing tech issues. I was actually running a business. Mintbird gave me freedom. It gave me control, and it gave me the momentum I'd been chasing for years. So if you're like I was, struggling, overwhelmed, and tired of wasting time and money on complex systems, Mintbird is the shortcut you've been looking for. You can build unlimited products, unlimited funnels, and start making money faster than you ever thought possible. Stop overcomplicating your business. Start using what actually works. Try Mintbird today and see for yourself how easy success can really be. I built it. I launched it. I earned from it. All inside Mintbird. Start your journey now. Click the link below and see how powerful this software is.